In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Excel cell color based on cell value using the conditional formatting. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the cells that contain the values you want to format. This can be a single column, a row, or a larger block of data. Click and drag your mouse over that area to highlight it. This is important because conditional formatting will only apply to the cells you select, so make sure you include the full range you want Excel to monitor. Once your cells are selected, move to the top of the screen and click the Home tab. In the ribbon, look for the Styles group. Inside that section, click Conditional Formatting. This menu gives you several ways to format cells automatically based on their contents. From the drop-down list, hover your mouse over Highlight Cells Rules. A side menu will appear with several rule types. Here you will choose the condition that best matches what you want to highlight. For example, if you want Excel to color cells with larger numbers, choose greater than. If you want to identify an exact value or a matching text entry, choose equal to. The option you select should match the kind of data you are working with and the result you want to see. After choosing the rule, a small pop-up window will appear. On the left side, type the number or value you want Excel to check for. This is the threshold or target Excel will use when deciding which cells should change color. Be careful to enter the correct value, since this determines how your formatting rule behaves. Next, use the drop-down menu on the right side of that same window to choose a formatting style. Excel includes preset options such as a light red fill with dark red text or a green fill with dark green text. Pick the style that makes your data easiest to read. If you are using this sheet for quick visual review, choose a color that clearly stands out without making the text hard to read. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the rule. Excel will immediately update the selected cells and color code any values that meet your condition. Finally, take a moment to verify the results. You should see the matching cells change color right away. One useful benefit of conditional formatting is that it updates automatically, so if the numbers in those cells change later, the colors will adjust as well based on the same rule. That covers everything you need to know.